Why choose BONOSS wheel spacers for a Ford Bronco? The BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation boosts to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These boosts allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which can manually enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. And the BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types materials. One is aluminum alloy 6061P6, another is aluminum alloy 7075P6. The aluminum alloy 6061P6 for daily driving, and the 7075P6 for racing, drifting, or off-roading. And the BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 lug nuts. The matching lug nuts use sportier chrome material. By continuously forging process, they have achieved ISO standard grade 10 and ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. The matching wheel stud use SCM 440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strain resistance. Structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The main advantage include high tensile strength, strong toughness, better wear resistance, and higher fatigue strength. And we have over 66 SGS and TV test reports. All BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. And the BONOSS provides OEM ODM service. You can customize the wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and the PCD-CB composition. You can choose the material, stud size, color, and pattern you like.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.